Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm on with a Happy Meal box from Maryetta, and I'm super excited to open it. I did read my card, but I'll read it again. But look how cute those little stickers are. Those are cats. Those are so stinking cute, and her card is so beautiful. It says, Lacey, happy belated birthday. Just a few things to let you know somebody cares about you. Aww. Your content is appreciated in our crafty community. I hate that I hate that you haven't been feeling well and I haven't had the motivation to craft like I used to. I feel you. I feel you. This is your 365 gifts where I see something that makes me think of you. I hope you like them, and I'm praying for you to feel better soon, Maryetta. Thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. I am starting to feel better. I feel like they finally have got me on the right medication and the right infusions that are working. So hopefully they will continue, and I plan on hopefully being able to just really sit down and craft. I want to get my crafty mojo back. I've been doing a few things, but not like I used to. I used to do like 2, 3, 4 like swaps a month and hosting swaps, and I just haven't. I am thinking about possibly hosting a nice little easy summer like embellishment box type of swap. So if you're interested, let me know. I think that that'll be easy for everybody. I know that summer is kind of a busy time for a lot of people, but that is kind of my downtime. I don't really have a whole lot of things going on, so I don't know. But anyway, let's get back into it. Look at this box, or this bag. I did not see this. Where is this from? TJ Maxx. It is just a cat reusable bag. This is so stinking cute, and they have books. They have books. Cats with books. Like, that is like two things that make me so happy. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna put this on the floor, but look how pretty everything is wrapped. Oh, this is so sweet. So you are gonna hear me opening things because, you know, this is a craft channel. We crinkle. We don't mean to, but we crinkle. That is the fun of things. So what do we have in here? Ooh, look at, are these s'more granola bites? I love these. I love anything s'mores. I don't know why. That is probably my favorite like combo flavor because it is a combination of chocolate, marshmallow, and strawberry. Maybe it's more marshmallow. I just like marshmallow things. So these are great. I do like these. I appreciate those. This little guy. This paper is so pretty. I'm gonna have to put some in my junk journal because this is too cute. Ooh, a little notebook. Oh, I love it. This is a pickle notebook. This is so cute. I had gotten, I don't think it was this one. It's similar to this that I had gotten from another friend because she's also a pickle lover. This is so cute. Maybe this is the same one that I had gotten her because I got it at Dollar General. Let's open this. Who else is my pickle lover friends out there? I have a few. We have like a little group chat and we share pickle recipes and things. How cute is this? I didn't open it to see. This is so stinking cute. I love that this front is like croc-like. I'm gonna put my little pickle charms on there. That is so cute. Thank you. She really did hear about all the things that I like. Oh, that is so sweet. What is this? And this is cherry. Shoot. Maryetta, you listen so well. Cherry Kiss Wild Cherry Lip Balm. Oh, this is so cute. Look at it. It's got the little stem and everything. That is stinking adorable. We also have a couple things that are not wrapped. We have, look at these. These are cute. I have not seen these. Oh, World Market. I didn't even think to look at World Market for salt and pepper shakers. Look at these. These are so cute. I've been wanting to pull out all of my cowgirl stuff lately too. I just have a hankering to do some cowgirl crafting. some butterbeer candy. Thank you again. I love that stuff. My son sends it to me all the time. Ooh, this feels like a pen, maybe? Were you ever that kid that tried to guess all of your presents? Because I was like, what could this be? This feels like a pen to me. It's a pickle pen. A pickle pen to go with. Look, I did not see this. Look at that. That is so cool. It has like all the different colors. This has got a lot of different colors. That is so stinking cute. So stinking cute. Girl. Now we have something. This is heavy. This is heavy. You are like a pro wrapper. This paper is so pretty. Your wrapping is amazing. We're gonna make my life a little easier though. I'm gonna cut through that tape. Ooh, I cannot guess what this is. I have no idea. What? This is a Harry Potter something. Oh boy, okay. Girl. Alright. So there's just, what is this? So I need to see exactly. Is this like a journal? Feast and Festival. I have a lot of Harry Potter books and stuff, but I don't have this one. It is crafts and party food inspired by the Wizarding World. This is so cool. How to throw a birthday bash. This is so stinking cool. It's got really beautiful pictures. It's got great, it's got crafts and recipes. This is very, very cool. Look at that. I need to have a Harry Potter birthday party one year. And then this is, you know what, girl? I've been wanting to do a Harry Potter junk journal, and I think that this is perfect for it. I think that this would be perfect. So we have the notebook. So it's so pretty. It's like soft touch. It's pretty purple. And then you get stickers and stuff. So again, I think that this would be perfect for like a Harry Potter journal. So we have, well, I'm going to open this in a second. We have a little washi tape. So we have a little owl. And then we have a golden snitch. We have these cool stickers. How cool these are. So pretty. And then, let's see. I want to open this. I don't want to. These are like little journaling cards. Yeah, so on the back is just like this print. And then these are all just little, like I could turn these into cards if I wanted. Like little, what are they, 4x4? Just over like 3.5 by 3.5. Or I can just use them in journal, like in making a really cool junk journal. These are so fun. This is such a cool kit. Thank you so much. I have not seen this. And like I said, I've seen a lot of Harry Potter stuff, but I have not seen this. Look at Luna. She's one of my favorites. Serious. These are great. Thank you so much. I really, truly appreciate you and thinking about me. That means the world. Yes, I try to give back as much as I can. I know that I need to try to do a better job, but again, I wasn't feeling the best, but I am starting to feel a lot better. I think that they finally have things figured out, and hopefully I am on the upswing and I can really, like, again, I haven't been doing a whole lot of swaps. I've been really focusing on doing the journaling, like the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal, and just trying to do as much happy mail as I can, to kind of give back to those that support me, that those who send me stuff, because I want you to know that I appreciate you and everybody that watches my videos or anybody that asks me questions. I've made such great friends in this crafty community, and I truly, truly appreciate every single one of you. So thank you so much, Maryetta, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.